Just acquired the Citroen DS4. It's the 1.6 HDi diesel. It's in lovely jet black with a bronze roof and wing mirrors. Lovely alloy wheels. Rear park distance control. Drives absolutely fantastic. Boot space is in lovely condition. Got the half leather interior, very spacious. Electric windows and electric mirrors. Could be, I don't know what that is, but we've got some sort of electric seat there. Sport seats to the front. Climate control, air conditioning. Satellite navigation. Bluetooth connectivity. It's done 64,241 miles. Cruise control. Really is high specification, drives lovely. At DJH we do offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005.